Origin of life. Origin of life is best explained by the Darwin's theory of natural selection. The three main points of this theory are each organism has an ability to survive and reproduce. During reproduction, organism shows variations in many characteristics with their species. Organisms with advantageous characteristics are likely to produce more individuals. The characteristics which help the organisms to survive are inherited by their offsprings and gradually increase generation after generation, or they are naturally selected. Stanley L. Miller and Harold C. Urey in 1953 experimentally proved the formation of simple organic compounds from simpler compounds under reducing conditions in their simulation experiment.